Vahedi.
Well, significant height advantage going to the Russian. Amir, cracker. Right, as you'd expect, some nice respect between Kyrgyzstan and Russia for this fight. Quality recognizes quality. These guys have actually been very respectful through the entire fight week, must be said, at the weigh-ins, at some of the face-offs, at the press conference. All about the business. Oh! Makhmedov eats a knee as he goes in for the shoot. He's trying to pick his opponent up.
Bit of a body lock. He's trying to push him against the cage, trying to change levels. He's using the forehand under the chin, so it doesn't let him posture well. Putting the hook outside, keeping the right shoulder. Oh, low blow. The referee interrupts.
Yeah, ＳЫЙМЫК immediately recognizes the foul, said sorry. Gets a bit of a grin from AMIRJANOV. Not so I'd be smiling if I got a blow to the nuts like that, Ollie.
No, I don't think many people would be. He's tough guys out here. I'm mega impressed that this guy, Makhmedov, at 4-0, was stepped in on late notice. It takes some guts and some belief in your own ability to do that.
Resets him, does referee Dan Movahedi. Pitching up against defense. Ugo Maciel, Ollie Thompson, I'm Simon Stevens on your call here tonight, live on UFC Fight Pass for the landmark UAE Warriors 50 here at the Adnet Marine downtown Abu Dhabi. Nice left elbow from AMIRJANOV there. ＳЫЙМЫК, though, is really doggedly determined on the single leg. Let's go of it. Good sprawl from AMIRJANOV.
This is a real tough battle against the wall. Very technical, great defense so far from AMIRJANOV, but relentless attacks from Makhmedov on late notice. He must believe in his condition because he's really attacking his wrestling, and it's a really great high-level exchange so far.
Makhmedov is using his left shoulder to pin him against the cage, so he's trying to change from one side to the other, trying to find the change of balance of the leg so he can connect his hands and put him down. AMIRJANOV is doing a good job, like he's getting the underhook and changing the side.
Another low blow now. That one didn't elicit a grin this time from ULLUBIY AMIRJANOV. Dan Movahedi, probably going to give him one more and you're going to get a point.
You have to in the end, unfortunately. There's no intent there, but you can't keep taking that risk and throwing that knee up in the wrong direction.
Well, 2 times a charm, and a good opportunity for Dan Movahedi to make sure that glove's just a little bit more secure on ＳЫЙМЫК MAХMЕДОV. Well, this time we get the reset in the center of the octagon. Nice big front kick there from AMIRJANOV, just misses.
Oh, took a knee on the way in.
Again, Makhmedov takes a knee, but he gets it this time in the takedown.
Yeah, it didn't quite land flush. He's lucky because there was a powerful knee up the middle.
Makhmedov is on top right now, but it's still to figure out how to position that against the cage. AMIRJANOV is now going flat on his back. He could use the cage to try to roll his back up. Makhmedov is back inside his full guard right now.
You got the closed guard there, which isn't always the best idea against the wall with your head postured up like that.
Nice left.
Makhmedov is starting to ground and pound.
Taking the Dagestani fighter to the grounds as soon as he possibly could. Here's ＳЫЙМЫК MAХMEDOV from Kyrgyzstan.
That's not something you get to see every day.
No.
Getting a Dagestani to the ground. You're not going to see most of them on their back.
No, we're not used to that. Anyone that watches the UFC and the high-level guys and Dagestani guys are not easy to control.
They're known for that, right? Makhmedov is pointing, is scoring in the eyes of the judges. He's on top position, looking for some ground and pound, trying to progress on this position.
AMIRJANOV coming out of Dagestan fighter team for this bout at UAE Warriors 50, even though we know he spends a lot of time at Tiger Muay Thai as well. 2-0 against 4-0, and certainly SΥЙМЫK having a lot of stones.
For an arm bar. It's usually an arm bar.
He might have that.
Oh, it looks a deep from this position. Oh, he's not tapping.
Back to full guard. Oh, the arm bar is on.
Again, I think he's going to get out of it now. It looks like the elbow's out. A great attempt and a good threat.
Great attempt by AMIRJANOV. Great attempt.
But he just woke him up there and let him know I'm dangerous off my back.
Some nice elbows off the back as well, just to punctuate your point there, Ollie. from AMIRJANOV.
He was a little bit static for a few minutes. I wasn't sure what he was going to do off his back. And he's just shown he has got a threat there. He is dangerous.
Very nice.
Elbow
again.
Back to action. Flatten him on his back and looking for some ground and pound. Repositioning, but don't sleep on AMIRJANOV's guard position. 30 seconds to go. And Makhmedov progressing, pushing him against the cage.
It's good discipline from Makhmedov. Just nice and careful, not too much. Just see the round out, win the round as he is, and take that advantage into round 2. No risks early in round 1 with dry skin.
Some nice shots now to finish the round strong from СЫЙМЫК МАХМЕДОВ. There's some nice times that AMIRJANOV was striking off the back. Some beautiful right elbows now from СЫЙМЫК MAХМЕДОV. Good scoring. There were some nice elbows off the bottom though from УЛЛУБИЙ AMIRJANOV. Looking very dangerous off his back, hunting for this.
His head was pressed against the cage, so maybe that's why.
Left of your screen there, the first title fight. We've got 3 title fights coming your way. That one, Iago Ribeiro from Santa Catarina, Brazil, against Yamato Fujita from Shinjuku in Japan. Massive stacked card here at UA Warriors 50, befitting such a landmark event.
Yeah, sure is. Are we going to see a nice takedown attempt here? Them 2 knees here have got made him realize how dangerous that can be, changing levels against this guy. But not much striking so far. Obviously very aware of the dangerous double leg takedowns.
He's looking for another early takedown, trying to impose his top position on AMIRJANOV. AMIRJANOV came back to the second round, kind of breathing heavy too. Maybe he took a toll on being ground and pounded from Makhmedov in the first round.
Yeah, I saw that. Maybe a bit of shock, a bit of surprise.
Oh, he's got the neck.
Got the guillotine. Let's see what he's going to do.
Cranking on it. He's pulling guard now.
It's quite deep.
Here's УЛЛУБИЙ AMIRJANOV.
Looks for it.
He's trying to escape now.
That's
That's corner
happened.
back. Incredible submission. УЛЛУБИЙ AMIRJANOV pulls guard on the guillotine choke. Gets it in. We didn't think it was on, but beautiful technique, Hugo.
He's got a crafty
Wow.
ground game from his back. Really, really dangerous.